What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI credit card activation. So paano nga ba i-activate yung BPI credit card natin? At saka magbibigay rin ako ng tips guys after nyo ma-activate yung credit card ninyo. Kasi once na na-activate na ninyo yung BPI credit card ninyo, prone na ito guys sa unauthorized transactions. Kaya naman kung paano mapangalagaan para maiwasan nyo yung mga ganung unauthorized transactions, kailangan nyo malaman guys at isi-share ko yun sa vlog na ito, yung tips to prevent your BPI credit card of having unauthorized transactions. At saka ano yung dapat nyo gawin guys kapag hindi nyo ma-activate yung BPI credit card ninyo. Pero bago yun, nais ko muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ayan, BPI credit card activation. Activate your BPI credit card to start enjoying its features and perks. Below are some reminders and frequently asked questions or FAQs to get you started. So quick guide guys. So ito guys ay quick guide on how to activate your BPI credit card. So maraming paraan guys para ma-activate yung BPI credit card natin. Ways to activate your BPI credit card. If you have an existing account in BPI Online. So when we say BPI Online, it's an online banking provided by BPI. Activate it in real time through the BPI help and support by scanning the QR code below and logging into your BPI Online account. So nandito yung QR code na yun guys. Ayan, pwede nyo siyang i-scan right now para ma-redirect kayo. Pero wag muna, tapusin mo muna yung vlog na ito. Balikan nyo na lang later after nyo mapanood yung vlog na ito. Kasi ma-redirect kayo ngayon guys sa BPI Online. Then ilalagin nyo yung account, then you have to go to help and support. Ganon. Then if you do not have an existing account in BPI Online, so kung wala naman kayong BPI Online account sa BPI Online Banking, then you can activate through SMS by following the 2-step instructions below. Kasi maraming way to activate your BPI credit card, tulad ng sabi ko. So ito ay isang paraan lamang, yung via QR. Scan nyo din via BPI Online. Then ito guys, feeling ko mas convenient yung via text message. So ito yung steps guys on how to activate your BPI credit card via text message. Using your registered mobile number, type BPI AEC space last 10 digits of your card or of the card. Then step 2 is send it to 22565060. So ito yung step 1 guys. You have to type BPI AEC space last 10 digits of the card. So ano nga ba yung last 10 digits ng card? Yung sa harap ng BPI credit card, di ba pagdating ng credit card, pagka-open nyo, may mga numbers dyan sa harap. Makikita nyo dyan yung 16 digits. So 10 digits lang yung kailangan. Sample is BPI AAC space 123456789 and send it to 22565060. Then ito guys, reminders lang when it comes to BPI credit card activation. Card activation through BPI help and support is processed in real time. So real time ito guys kapag via BPI Online kayo mag-activate. Whereas card activation through SMS will require 2 banking days from the date of request. So kapag via text message naman, ito naman yung downside guys. Kasi mas mabilis nga siya sa BPI text message lang activation of BPI credit card. Kaso nga lang it requires 2 banking days to get being validated. While naman kung ikaw ay BPI Online kasi active na siya, parang verified na, real time siya. Pagka-input niyo, pagka ganon, automatic na siya. Then pangalawa is you must be a principal card holder to be able to activate the card. So kailangan guys, ikaw yung principal. Ibig sabihin, ikaw yung mother card ng BPI credit card na yon. Kasi kung supplementary ka lang, hindi pwede. Please make sure to use the same mobile number that you registered in our record. So like for example guys, ginamit niyo yung mobile number via text message nang activate kayo ng BPI credit card, hindi yun mag-push through kapag hindi yung mobile number na ginamit niyo nung nag-apply kayo. Kasi kung ano yung nasa record nila at hindi yun yung ginamit niyo, may karoon ng discrepancy at mag-error yun. Hindi din yung ma-activate yung BPI credit card. Ito na yung sagot guys on how to surely activate your BPI credit card. So dapat yung gamitin mo talaga is yung registered mobile number. Pangatlo is for supplementary cards, the principal card holder is required to activate the card. So kung ikaw ay principal card holder lamang, so dapat kailangan mo nang i-activate ni principal card holder yung credit card before ma-activate yung BPI supplementary credit card ninyo. Pang-apat is activation of your BPI credit card as self-service. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw mismo yung mag-activate, hindi pwedeng ipa-activate sa ibang tao. This will not require a call from BPI. BPI will never contact you to ask for your account information and one-time PIN. So, ito guys, one-time PIN. Kailangan yung pangalagaan na kapag may dumating na one-time PIN sa inyo, dapat hindi nyo sinishare sa iba. Kasi, confidential yan. Dapat ikaw lang nakakaalam yan. Then, via online naman guys. So, tulad yung nasabi ko sa BPI Online. So, ito yung exact steps on how to activate your BPI credit card via BPI Online. So, kailangan nyo guys i-log in sa BPI Online. Then, punta kayo sa help and support. Then, encode niyo yung credit card number, lahat-lahat ng details. Then, i-activate niyo. Then, magpapadala ng OTP or one-time PIN. Then, pagka-verify, yun, activated yung BPI credit card ninyo. Real time yun, tulad ng sabi ko. Then via phone call naman guys, which is, kailangan nyo tumawag sa BPI customer service para mag-request to activate your BPI credit card. So method is, call the BPI hotline at +632-889-10000 for assistance with activation. Then, in person. So, pwede naman guys, via BPI branch. Kung may mas malapit kayong BPI branch sa lugar ninyo, punta ka lang kayo, then, visit any BPI branch. Then, what to bring? Ano nga ba yung dadalhin? Of course, kailangan yung proof of identification, yung valid ID, photo, and the credit card you wish to activate. Kasi, i-check nila yan guys, kung tugma ba dun sa ID ninyo, tsaka sa itsura ninyo, dun sa credit card ninyo, para sila mismo yung mag-activate ng credit card ninyo sa BPI. So ito guys, let's move on to tips kung paano nga ba pangalagaan yung BPI credit card natin once ito ay activated na. Kasi kapag activated yung BPI credit card, prone na ito guys sa unauthorized transactions at delikado na siya kasi pwede na magamit yung BPI online natin sa online transactions using your confidential card details number, yung expiry date, yung credit card number, yung 16 digits, at saka yung sa likod na CVV or CVC. So, kailangan yung pangalagaan yung details na yun, guys. Kasi, confidential yun, wag nung ipopost sa social media, pipicturan, tapos i-upload. Pag nakita ng iba yun, pwede na magamit yun sa online transactions. At the same time, of course, guys, wag nung i-misplace yung credit card ninyo. So, kapag nawala yung credit card ninyo, medyo delikado yun. Na-misplace lang, bawan na nakawan kayo ng wallet, something ganyan. Kailangan nyo guys, ilak agad yung BPI credit card ninyo sa BPI Online. Kaya naman ito guys, kailangan nyo malaman na dapat nakalink yung mobile, yung BPI credit card ninyo is naka-enroll sa BPI Online. Kasi anytime, pwede nyo siyang ilak sa BPI Online yung BPI credit card ninyo. Halimbawa, nag-text, nagkaroon ng alerts, nagkaroon ng unauthorized transactions, may mga transactions na dumarating. So, kailangan nyo agad-agad ilak yung BPI credit card ninyo para maiwasan na yung susunod pang transactions, guys. Ganun yung purpose kung bakit kailangan naka-enroll yung BPI credit card natin sa BPI Online para makaroon tayo agad ng way to prevent it from happening again. Like, for example, naka-receive na kayo, ilak nyo agad. So, next transactions, hindi na sila makakapag-transact using that BPI credit card kasi nakalock na siya. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!